You want to reduce the cost of your Pokemon in Pokerogue so that you can create your dream team?
I've got you.
So the first thing you want to do is figure out what Pokemon you want to put on this team. When you start a new game, you always get 10 points to work with. As you can see here, I got a Mewtwo that costs 8 and a Mew that costs 6. So I can't put them on the same team. So we're going to have to reduce their cost to make it work. But from the home screen, you want to hit escape, and that's going to pull up this menu right here. Then you're going to go down to your Egg Gotcha. Once you're here, you're going to want to pull up DevTools. On Chrome, that's F12. If you're using a different web browser, Google how to pull up DevTools on that web browser. So we're gonna hit F12, and that should pull up this menu right here. First thing is go up to sources, make sure that's clicked, then come down here to assets, drop it down, and then click on loading scene. Once it populates, hit Control F to pull up your search bar and type in this.scene.game.data.voucher counts. And so you're gonna wanna go to the first instance of that. Once you're on the first instance of that, you're gonna wanna drop down to where it says process input, go up 1 and insert your breakpoint. So 1 of 8, down just a little bit, process input, up 1, breakpoint. Then go back into the game, click, and then hit any arrow key. I'm gonna hit left, and it's gonna pause the debugger. Now we're gonna look at the code. Super simple. All you have to do is put in your dex number here, and then what you wanna reduce it by here. We're gonna go ahead and copy this, and then go back into the game. Once you're back into the game, you're gonna wanna come up to the top where it says console and click on that. And then in this box right here, if you find out you can't paste, type in allow pasting, and then click on that and hit enter. And then you should be able to paste from here on out. And then I'm gonna hit Control V, and that's gonna post our code. Now for the dex numbers, you can put in just one. If I just wanted to do Mewtwo, I could do 150 and leave it like that. But since I wanna do Mew as well, I'm gonna put in a comma and do 151 as well, because I wanna lower the cost of both of these Pokemon. Then we're gonna come down here to the second X, which is right here. And we need to put in here what we wanna reduce the value by. So remember, Mew was a 6 and Mewtwo was an 8. So you can just put a 10 in here, but sometimes the numbers get a little wonky. So we're gonna drop it down by 5, so that makes Mew a 1 and Mewtwo a 3. And then we're gonna hit enter. We should be good to go. We're gonna go back into the game, unpause the debugger, exit out of here, and then back out to the main menu. Then we're gonna go to new game, classic, and when we scroll down to Mew and Mewtwo, you can see they are 3 and 1, and now we can fit them both in our party. Now go out there and make a dream team.